Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and withdraw money from Cryptoguru. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, if we go ahead and open up our browser right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and search for Cryptoguru, and all of these questions will pop up. What is Cryptoguru all about? Cryptoguru offers a unique opportunity to gain high quality trading and cryptocurrency experience that closely resembles real stock market prices. And if we go ahead and click is Cryptoguru app legit, it will go ahead and say that Cryptoguru is not a real cryptocurrency exchange, but highlight this a trading simulator application that allows you to practice crypto trading with virtual money and rewards. And if we go ahead and open up our Play Store right here, you will go ahead and see right away that Cryptoguru is just a trading simulator, meaning you are not going to trade with real money. Instead, you are going to use in-app credits where you could go ahead and play with that inside a trading simulator that will hopefully make your trading experience better. So if you're asking me if you can go ahead and withdraw money in Cryptoguru, that is just not possible because we are actually just trading with in-app credits right here, not an actual money. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.